This one the election for big house. And Sabi say, for election for big house, we don't get people where they don't come back for chair with grandpa them. If you call them, we ancestors. If you call them, we great-grandfathers. If you call them, we onous. If you call them, we chintia them. They don't put them back again for chair. And Sabi say, this papa them, they don't owe, not be small thing. Oh is an understatement. Oh means say, that means say, now them, senior all man for inside this parliament and inside Senate. Now we papa Marcel and we papa Kavaye. Mommy, put them for screen, make they see. Now then two then that, they say, all broom, Sabi sweep house, fine. And Sabi say, now the very old broom, we don't use that for Cameroon, for sweep we house. But why we country they so, and how you feel say, we feel, make sure say we channel our problem there, or take our problem, give this with papa them. Sabi say they get wisdom way, we say we not get them. And how we fit channel our problem them, give with papa them, we problem them, so that they fit suffer. Sabi say they don't do there for long. They know these problems them, and they know how they feel help we. But maybe they know they get them straight. Maybe now at the time where you feel use this time now, send me a message. Tell me how what way you want to tell this papa them, so that we talk about them. Sabi say this papa there, they just vote them back as president them, like chairman them. This Kavaye now be chairman for parliamentarians. Mr. Marcel, Pa Marcel, oh no who Marcel. Now be big man for senators them. So now they part and that, and that they don't take position back again. Sabi say they don't stay for this position. Pass even plenty of we they dey for outside where they born we. Oh no, this part they never even take this position. This part they already take this position. Until now, they still dey. Wait till don't change. How country they move forward? Sabi say this part they get wisdom. They say age they come with plenty sense. Sabi say age daily experience. You know if you pass all the years away, you not get experience. And so this part they don't take up. Get chair again because of their age and experience. How will we talk about this matter? I want to move look this small video for see how we were papa where they put it for chair. He declined for go down for a place. Mama Joe, put this video, make my people see how we papa decline for down for a chair. Now, we grandpa and that as he declined chair for Shindong for position. Sabi say this papa then they run the whole country together, one and indivisible. Sabi say this papa then too, they don't be for chair, they do better thing them. And now why that we want to take this time for tell with grandpa and say, may they continue for the do better work. And we don't open line for now. Make we send una message, make una send una message, make a give for papa. Tell me where you want papa, me papa do. And then I will tell papa for here. Papa go here and all we go sit down, we go talk about the matter the way it worry we. We go start for take message where don't start come. This one say Cameroon they so a light can find it laugh. Ha 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 ha. What an election process we just see them. We just don't see the result, see na result. Pa no go collapse on day for chair. Ha 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 ha. This one a Karen for a corner. carry for a corner the tell we say Cameroon election, it just shut down. They need to just see the election, they shut down, they just see now only vote, they just see only the results. And he said he laugh na laugh. Say, I beg no laugh. Tell we na wait till you want to move with tell papa. Grandpa them, they don't enter again and they don't come now for work. Tell we wait till you want to move with tell papa so that papa fit do am. For all we, Sabi say now with grandpa for we all. We go take number 2 message. Say even pa no fit worker. Say even pa no fit worker. But in of you work at them, they bend down the whole chair where they bend down the whole chair where they don't even stand. But election, then where God. In fact, I will read this one after. Mistake the day, I will read them after. Sabi say we talk now about Papa the way they just come out for take chair. Would it take time? Would it talk now about Papa them where they just come off for chair and where they don't take chair plenty time. Sabi say now since the 90s the way this Papa they take chair and now we there for 2020 them. So I want to mean all we should not down we read this message where indicator with studio now, so I will talk about this matter proper. Sabi say this with grandpa them, they just come off and take chair them. Again last week, and I want to see me all we talk about this papa them. Tell me ways we want to wear this papa them, they go fit do, and I will make sure say the papa, the hear them for this station where they go so. We dey wait to a message na number then that way they for on our screen na 678 0288 028885 678 028885. Now we all broom then that way they don't get time for house. As I say they say now all broom they really sweep fine. Now all broom then that way they don't put them for house. I they sweep fine. Wait till how if you use this old broom? So I say anything we there for house now for use them. How if you use this with old broom the way they don't bring and back for take and sweep your house, make it shine for better way. I say now we great grandpa them not be only with grandpa, now we great grandpa. So the other they call they say Pa Max and Pa Kavaye Yege. Yes, now them that for the screen and I want to see me all we talk about this we matter. Sabi say this papa them they don't should not for cheer again and this time where they should not for time where problem for we country it they like it don't the one plenty again past time where they be just take country. Sabi say we get kind problem now road now money for thing the way they don't give for project where they look come now which kind thing anything we do for this country. Sabi say now for this part and they give order even law as I will begin to talk about people where they just do kind thing there for school. Sabi say now the papa they give order some of the order then way it help for the reduce the with poverty in the way it happen. But wait till where when I feel use them tell me wait when I want to make a tell this papa them may they help for fix this country for better way. It dey now for it don't happen now it don't happen with all we do so and I dey wait when I message them for the number where it there for screen. So make we send message them Mama Joe I put image me my people because see them I not be their grandpa. Now grandpa be this Pa Max now be this. Now he be this and now he just take tea and then two then that now then two we talk about I will say baby congratulations for we papa them. Sabi say we know so when Sabi whole country for better way. Since we are there for power, country never ever separate even for 1 second. Sabi say this part they don't try their best for make sure say me country come together and make they stay correct way. We go like for the receive una messages as how they enter with phone. Okay, for this one now, make we take this message. Say Cameroon, it don't spoil, go. Cameroon don't spoil, now go finish. Cameroon don't spoil, now go finish. We just get for pray. Pa them don't owe all. So pa them don't owe all. So fit handle which kind of thing. I will take this message again. They say Cameroon, a problem don't go off finish. We just get for pray. Pa them. Oh, all. So fit handle which kind thing? This one na Sango Eli from Munya. Sango Eli tell me say papa they don't all finish. I no know the way they fit handle them. So I pray say make una listen tell me. Sabi say the part and they want put them. They know where they fit do. And I want them to tell me. Wait till I want them. Wait till the water una. If you not get light, tell me. I go tell them. If you not get water, tell me. I go tell them. And they must fix this problem by power, by force. Sabi say na their work and they know how to fix this problem for all kinds of stuff. That papa they no work here. Now why that they choose them all broom service sweep compound. Place them there where you no need for stress again for the bend. All broom the job go there. You don't really know say need for twist so. Enter the cupboard, sweep this place. As I be saying, that's so they put this papa there because they know the work. Anything we want tell them, they go twist themselves, fix that problem for you. And I want to me all we talk about this problem them for outside now. So tell me a problem. If a problem I want for road, light, water, even security. Tell me, make I tell this papa them. So I be say, well, grandpa them, they must solve them. Okay, now we see that way we get time, but now we will take una enter the one where it is really hot with body. This one now for palava sex scandal.